In 2006, the US federal government did something it almost never does. It revoked a building's status as a National Historic Landmark. That building was Soldier Field in Chicago, Illinois. They didn't do it because the building was demolished. They did it because of a renovation. A renovation so aggressive, the government decided the original building essentially didn't exist anymore. For 80 years, this was a masterpiece of neoclassical architecture. Built in 1924 as a memorial to World War I soldiers, it looked less like a football stadium and more like a Greek temple. It was grand enough to be designated a National Historic Landmark. But in 2003, the Chicago Bears needed more luxury suites. The city's solution was aggressive. They didn't just renovate. They essentially dropped a 60,000-seat glass and steel bowl directly inside the historic columns. The reaction was immediate. Architecture critics called it the mistake by the lake. One critic famously wrote that it looked like the Starship Enterprise had crash-landed on the Parthenon. Today, the stadium is a financial success. The Bears have their luxury suites and the city has its revenue. But the 1924 columns are no longer the main attraction. They are just window dressing for the steel bowl inside. The renovation saved the franchise, but it turned a national monument into a $600 million ornament.